Coco, have you ever seen a dolphin show in the aquarium before?
Yes, I had seen it before when I was little. I think it's very interesting, and the dolphins there were very adorable.
Yes, I agree with you. Let's try to know more about dolphins now.
Today, we are going to talk about dolphin crisis and the English mission.
First, let's talk about our motivation. Most of us enjoy the amazing performance that dolphins bring to us. However, they are forced to do all kinds of unnatural behaviors all year round to bring us such wonderful performances. Dolphins have been poorly treated in the aquarium, and it has driven us to find ways to save dolphins. Now, we are going to talk about the domestic-sized dolphin, the ways they are trained in the aquarium. Next, we will show you how dolphins originally live in the ocean. Last but not least, we will present to you our English mission to save dolphins. That is, we as English majors will teach junior high school students proper knowledge about dolphins in English.
These are research methods. First, we've tried to collect and analyze the data we found. We then visited Yale Ocean World for field observation. Finally, we've tried to conduct an online survey to know people's knowledge about dolphins. Our project is related to the skills we have learned from school, such as our English presentation skills and computing knowledge. For a start, we are going to talk about the domestic-sized dolphin. In 1937, Marineland Dolphin Island opened in Florida, USA, becoming the first aquarium for business purposes in the world. In the 1960s, the dolphin show gradually attracted audiences and became popular. Yale Ocean World brought several dolphins from Tonghu for training in 1981, becoming Taiwan's first aquarium. Besides, after the film Flipper was released in 1996, the dolphin show received even more attention. Many countries gradually discovered business opportunities, and a rising number of aquariums were established all over the world.
Two ocean worlds featured in dolphin shows in Taiwan are Fabry Ocean Park and Yale Ocean World. Most of the dolphins there are captured from the wild. In general, it is the bottlenose dolphin that mainly performs in the aquarium, because the bottlenose dolphin has a strong ability to adapt to the environment. The embouchure that seems to be smiling on its face also makes the dolphin even more adorable. Training the dolphin takes about 6 to 9 months. Dolphin trainers use gestures and whistles to communicate with dolphins. They jump, they spin around, and they bend their heads and fins for hundreds of times before they can perform for audience. Each performance in the dolphin show takes nearly an hour. To please the audience, dolphins must undergo many kinds of inhuman trainings, such as clapping hands, playing hula hoops, and kicking balls. These unnatural behaviors will possibly harm their lives. Also, the soundtrack and the noises during the performance would put a lot of pressure on the dolphins, causing both physical and mental injuries to them.
Let's proceed to the data analysis of our questionnaires. For the first question, about 70% of people have seen dolphin show before. It is obvious that dolphin shows might be one of the tourist attractions for families, which is certainly entertaining and offers a lot of fun to family members, young and old. We realize that almost 62% of people know that dolphin shows will harm dolphins, but there are still 30% of people who decided to go to the aquarium on weekends. So we can assume that most people still didn't have the awareness of crisis that dolphins have encountered. With the last question, we are interested in the number of people who know about the conservation group of dolphins in Taiwan. From the above chart, we can see that most people don't know these groups, which means there are only few people considering this issue important.
The second part is dolphins in the ocean. Generally speaking, dolphins live in the ocean due to the abundant resources there. Besides, dolphins are social animals, so they always move in flocks. See how free they are. Therefore, living in such an environment is better for them. By contrast, dolphins in the aquarium don't have enough space to live. Their sensibility can be easily confused by all unnatural distractions in the aquarium, Such an environment can satisfy dolphins' needs both physically and mentally. Besides, the aquarium can't provide them with any shelters to hide. They are exposed to an artificial place, a place that confines them to a small-sized world for inhuman performances. Let's know more about dolphins. In general, dolphins prey on squids, crabs, shrimps, and fish for food. To catch these creatures, they have to take advantage of their echolocation. A dolphin's echolocation is divided into two parts. Melon is responsible for making sounds, sending echoes to locate and capturing the prey, which will be sent back to the lower jaw. They produce two kinds of sounds. The first one is whistles. Dolphins use whistles to communicate with other members of their species, and even other species which are similar to them. The second one is clicks. Dolphins use clicks to sense their surroundings and also tell the size, shape, and speed of objects underwater to prey on their food.
Now, we are going to talk about our English mission of saving dolphins. In order to let more people be aware of the issue of dolphins crisis, we have made a presentation for junior high school students, hoping that they can be aware of the miserable life dolphins have encountered. To begin with our English project, we have made a lesson plan. Our target audience is junior high school students. With our lesson plan, we will deliver a presentation about dolphins and offer some questions to the high school students. Then we'll ask them to have a group discussion. Students will discuss about the harm that dolphin shows bring to dolphins and how they can help them. We hope such our English project can help high school students know more about dolphins.
Here comes our worksheet. We want to teach them relevant vocabulary words about dolphins. The first part is to match the picture with inhuman training dolphins will receive. The second part is to circle the correct answer of how dolphin trainers communicate with dolphins. The third and fourth are blank filling. And the last one is to find the words in the puzzle, using vocabulary from the fourth part.
We have tried to teach junior high school students in order to urge them not to watch dolphin show too often. We have taught them more about how dolphins are treated in the aquarium, hoping that more and more people could be aware of the issue of dolphins crisis.
The rise of dolphin show has brought a lot of benefit for merchants. However, dolphin shows will possibly harm dolphins in many ways. Therefore, we have figured out some suggestions. The first one is giving dolphins more space to live to prevent them from feeling stressed. Next, we hope that merchants can change the way of training dolphins, such as cutting dolphins' performing time, not to have dangerous pieces of training, and so on.
At last, we hope that everyone can care more about dolphins' life. They are animals, not playthings for humans. In Taiwan, there aren't any clear laws to protect dolphins. Therefore, we hope that the government could formulate more laws to care about dolphins' rights. Besides, as English majors, we would be very happy to launch the English mission of saving dolphins to schools in Taiwan. We hope our English mission can be integrated to English classes. Students will not only learn English, but also obtain proper knowledge about dolphins. This is our presentation today. We hope you can know more about dolphins, and we welcome you to join our English mission of saving dolphins. These are our references.
Thank you for your attention.